Welcome to Auto Info channel. Today we are talking about new Honda 125. Introducing the all-new Honda 125-2025, a masterpiece of engineering designed to redefine your riding experience. Built with precision and passion, the Honda 125 2025 stands as a symbol of power, performance, and unmatched style. Its sleek, aerodynamic design is not just visually striking but also optimized for superior performance on every road. The newly crafted body adds a dynamic edge, making it the ultimate choice for those who demand both aesthetics and functionality. Under the hood, the Honda 125 2025 is powered by a next-generation engine that delivers remarkable fuel efficiency without compromising on power. Experience smooth acceleration, responsive throttle control, and an engine that roars with authority. Whether you're navigating city streets or cruising on open highways, the Honda 125 2025 offers a ride that's both thrilling and comfortable. Equipped with advanced technology, the Honda 125 2025 ensures that every ride is smarter and safer. The digital speedometer provides clear and accurate readings, keeping you informed at a glance. The enhanced suspension system guarantees a smooth ride, absorbing shocks effortlessly even on rough terrains. Its powerful brakes offer exceptional stopping power, giving you complete control in every situation. The Honda 125 2025 isn't just about performance, it's about making a statement. Its bold graphics, refined finishes, and premium detailing set it apart from the crowd. The ergonomic seat design offers maximum comfort, making long rides feel effortless. Every curve, every line, and every detail is crafted to perfection, reflecting Honda's commitment to quality and innovation. Fuel efficiency has always been a hallmark of Honda, and the 125 2025 takes it to the next level. With an improved fuel injection system, you'll enjoy longer rides with fewer stops at the pump. This not only saves you money but also reduces your carbon footprint, making it an eco-friendly choice for the modern rider. Safety is at the core of the Honda 125 2025. The advanced braking system, combined with superior grip tires, ensures stability and control even in challenging conditions. The bright LED headlights and taillights enhance visibility, keeping you safe during night rides. With Honda's trusted engineering, you can ride with confidence knowing that your safety is never compromised. Comfort meets style with the Honda 125 2025. The redesigned seat provides excellent support, reducing fatigue during long journeys. The handlebar is ergonomically positioned for better control and comfort, giving you a natural riding posture. Every element is thoughtfully designed to enhance your riding pleasure. The Honda 125 2025 is not just a bike, it's a lifestyle choice. It's for the bold, the adventurous, and those who seek excellence in every ride. It's for individuals who value performance, reliability, and timeless design. Whether you're a daily commuter or a weekend explorer, the Honda 125 2025 is your perfect companion on the road. Experience the future of riding with the Honda 125 2025. Feel the power beneath you, the smoothness of every turn, and the freedom of the open road. This isn't just a bike, it's a testament to Honda's legacy of innovation, performance, and unwavering quality. Ride with pride, ride with confidence, ride the Honda 125 2025. Elevate your journey with a bike that understands your passion. The Honda 125 2025 is engineered to deliver an unparalleled riding experience, blending tradition with cutting-edge technology. Its lightweight frame ensures agility, making it perfect for urban rides and adventurous getaways. The precise handling allows you to maneuver with ease, turning every ride into an exciting adventure. From sunrise to sunset, the Honda 125 2025 is built to perform. Its durable construction withstands the test of time, ensuring that your bike remains as dependable as the day you first rode it. The robust engine components and high-quality materials reflect Honda's dedication to durability and excellence. Customization is at your fingertips with the Honda 125 2025. Choose from a range of vibrant colors and stylish graphics that match your personality. Accessorize to enhance both aesthetics and functionality, making your bike truly unique. With Honda, you're not just buying a bike, you're creating an identity. The sound of the Honda 125 2025's engine is music to the ears of true riders. It's a symphony of power and precision, a reminder of the engineering marvel beneath you. Every rev tells a story of passion, craftsmanship, and the pursuit of perfection. Join the league of riders who choose Honda not just for transportation but for the thrill of the ride. The Honda 125 2025 connects you with a community of enthusiasts who share the same love for adventure, performance, and freedom. It's more than a bike, it's a movement. The road is calling, and the Honda 125 2025 is ready to answer. Are you? Experience the thrill, feel the power, own the road. Choose the Honda 125 2025 and ride beyond limits. Please like and subscribe my channel so you never miss any updates.